In this video, I am going to be creating a seamless pattern using Photopea. So the first thing that you will need to do is make sure that you know which two images you want to use, and then go to photopea.com. You're going to click on New Project, and this one is your tile, and the digital paper that this tile is going into is going to be 3600 by 3600 pixels. So the tile itself will be 900 by 900. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to name this tile. Oops, I didn't mean to do that. We're going to actually go in the name file and name it tile. Make sure your DPI is at 300 pixels per inch. And you're going to go 900 by 900 pixels, which is also 3 by 3 inches. And then we're going to click create. Next, you're going to bring in your images. So, according to my instructions, go to file and then open. And I will have these instructions in the description section. So we're going to file, open, and I'm doing my cheerleader again. So I'm going to click on files, and she should be in fall items, fall sports, and cheerleader with shoes. And then I'm also using my megaphone, so we're going to go to file, open. Let's see, the megaphone must be in Pixabay. Here's the megaphone. And we're going to resize these to 600 by 600. So let's go here. Oops, no. You want to click image. First, let's get off of this crop tool. Okay, let's hit that. All right, there we go. Hit image, image size. We're going to unclick that. And you want it to be 600 by 600. Click OK. And then we're going to go to the megaphone and don't know why the megaphone's not in here, but let's close that, hit OK, and bring it back in. Open, megaphone, open, and then go to image, image size, and remember you always want your DPI to be 300, and we're going to go 600 by 600, hit OK. Okay, so now for the next part of the instructions, we're going to bring the small tiles into the big tile. So you're going to go over to layer and right click. And then you want to click duplicate into. And we're going to duplicate it into where it says tile and hit OK. Do the same for the megaphone. Right click, duplicate into, and then tile PSD and hit OK. Okay, so now you've got both of your images onto your bigger tile. And you're going to drag both images to the center of the main tile. You'll know it's centered when you see the vertical and horizontal red lines appear. So that's what I'm going to do next. Actually, first let me rename these layers because it's going to make it easier for you when you're editing if you name your layers something other than background. And this one is going to be cheerleader. And this is your actual background. But I'm going to unlock it so I can do things with it. Okay, so now, and I'm just going to hide what I'm not working with to make it easier. And we're going to move the megaphone. Click on the move tool. Oh, oh wait, you want both up? All right, there we go for that one. And we're going to hide that and then click on the cheerleader. Um, oh, let's click on the cheerleader, shall we? Okay. And we're going to move her until I see. Might take a little while. Okay. Perfect. Okay. So as you see, both of them are centered. Now we're going to uh, fill the corners with one of the images to create the seamless effect. You're going to click on the image that you want to offset. Okay, so that's what I'm doing next. So we're going to do the megaphone and then click filter, click other, and then offset. So we're going to click, wait, let me click on this megaphone again. Click filter, and then click other, and then click offset. And you're going to want to, in the horizontal and vertical, you're going to click half of the dimension of your tile. And since this tile, if you remember, is 900 by 900, you're going to put 450 in here. So in horizontal, it's going to be 450, and in vertical, it's going to be 450. And then you're not going to touch that part here. So you're just going to click OK. And as you see, you have your megaphones in each corner with your cheerleader in the center. And so next, what you're going to do is merge your file down. And you merge the file down by right clicking and then clicking on merge down. And next you want to change your background color. We're going to make, we're just going to make the background color just simple. We'll just make it, so to change the background color, let's do that. You click on this arrow and that makes this purple one the main one, and then you left click on the purple, and let's see, I did purple last time I did it. Let's make it like, I mean, now when you do this, you could make it your school colors or just whatever color you want. I'm just gonna do a green color because I'm feeling green. And then you'll click on the fill bucket and click here on the square. Oh, right, I might want to click it so it shows it. Okay, and then we're going to merge down again. All right, now that that's done, you're going to click Edit and then click Define New Pattern. Click Define New and then click Pattern. And voila, you have made your own seamless pattern. Stay tuned for my next Photopea tutorial to see how we're going to use this pattern to make our very own digital paper. Remember, you have to work, but work doesn't have to be boring.